A divorce is never an option. My love, there's something I need you to hear, and I need you to feel every word of it, not just with your ears, but with your heart. I know we have had our ups and downs. I know we have argued, disagreed, and even hurt each other with our words. But no matter how tough things have gotten, one thing has always been clear in my heart: a divorce is never an option for me. You see, when I choose you, I choose forever. I did not make that decision lightly. I did not promise to love you only when it was easy, or only when you smiled at me sweetly. I promised to love you when you were silent, angry, confused, or distant, because real love means staying when it's hard, and badly I am staying. People think love is just about the good times, the laughter, the kisses, the beautiful memories. But real love shows up when everything feels broken, when we barely understand each other, when it feels like we are on different planets. That's when love becomes a choice, not just a feeling. And I choose you. I will keep choosing you every single day, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. Yes, we may hurt each other sometimes, but even then, I would rather fight with you than love with someone else. I would rather struggle beside you than find comfort in another's arms. Because you are my home, my heart, my forever, and I believe in us deeply, fiercely, and without hesitation. We are not perfect, we never will be, but that's the beauty of it. We are two imperfect people refusing to give up on each other. That means more to me than anything. When I say for better or worse, I mean it. When I say in sickness and in health, I mean that too. I never planned for an escape route, only for a way not our path. Healing is growing is learning each other again and again. That's what we are here for. I want to build a life where our children see that love is not disposable, that you fight for your person, that you don't walk away just because the storm came. No, you hold each other tiger. Even when the wind threatens to blow you apart. So hear me when I say this. I will never give up on you, on us. I don't care how many times we have to start over. I don't care how many hard conversations we have to have. I am here, still loving you, still choosing you. Divorce, that word doesn't live in my heart. What lives there is you, forever yours. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.